Hello everyone, I am Soumya Shah and I thank you for viewing our project website. Let's begin then. Here's what we are going to do. In next 5 minutes we would discuss what's concrete, why an estimate and the technology stack we have used for our project. Concrete is basically a mixture of cement, slag, water, superplasticizer, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate and fly ash. Apart from these ingredients, there is one more ingredient which plays a very important role in estimation of compressive strength of concrete, and that is time for setting. Now let's see why we need an accurate estimate. Efficient workflow management. In generic construction process, if a floor is to be built on top of a newly built floor, the engineers take a 7-day or a 14-day average for setting of concrete so that it can attain a required threshold strength for further construction. Due to such naive way of deciding project timeline and managing workflow, sometimes there is underemployment and sometimes overemployment. This leads to overhead costs. Using AI/ML, you can optimize the cost of construction. Next, worker safety. Since the generic methods used for estimation can be very much inaccurate, it might lead to injury of the workers due to work related accidents. For example, if a slab falls due to excessive stress. Since the labor laws aren't much strong, we need to come into the picture and save the day. The coolest thing about this web app is that we can tweak different inputs to find different permutations to get required threshold compressive strength. You can see you can experiment with different inputs and constraints to find an optimum way to attain threshold compressive strength with a minimal of cost of ingredients. The accuracy of our machine learning model is over 95%. Okay, now let's talk about technology stack we have used. All the front end work is beautifully done by my friend and my teammate Harshit Rathi. The backend, AI/ML model development and MLOps work is done by me. You can get more information regarding us in the developers section and don't forget to check out the concrete compressive strength estimator. Thank you.